Instead the function, the arguments assigned to variable called parameters. The arguments are assigned the variables to variables are called parameters. For here definition for a function takes an argument. Here for example def print twice Bruce. Here Bruce is the one of the variable given inside the parenthesis. It is called argument. Sorry, parameter. It is called parameter. Okay, inside the parameter you will give any value. This is called argument. Okay. Here print Bruce. Print the Bruce twice when you call this print function. Okay. Now we will see this one. Output of this program. See what about this? Then definition. What about function name? Print twice underscore twice twice. Here you will give the parameter, that is Bruce. Bruce colon, and you will print Bruce. Here also print Bruce. Okay. Now we will call the function. How to call the function? By using the function name, that is print underscore twice. Here the argument is compulsory. You will give argument, that is what is welcome. Enter. What is WLCOME? Okay, again you will call this one print twice welcome. How many times it print? 2 times print. Okay. Here welcome is the argument. Here Bruce is the parameter. Okay. Okay. You will supply any type of the value. When function calls. Why? It is automatically converts string into int or float into int. You know. So not okay. This our Python programming. There is no need to define the type of the variable. That's why it will be accept any type of the argument. For example, here you will give integer value also. Print twice 1. Print. Okay. Another one is print twice 35.2. Okay. Will give any type of the argument inside the parameters.